real.
So we're going to adjust fifth lumbar. Excellent. Your job, bottom leg straight as you can. Excellent. Great. Can you grab your shirt? And I want to adjust you here with your shirt on.
Okay.